your snout. I'm sorry you had to see that. But Bruce deserved it. He was a bad person. He was always saying mean things and beating people up. He's the one who pushed Jason into the well. Jason was my friend. Haven't you ever wished Bruce was dead? I know I did. Only thing is, I can make my wishes come true. All I have to do is wish really hard, sing a song, or make a rhyme. And my wish just happens. I wish he rot away like a corpse. And just like that, he did. Cool, huh? I like you, Jennifer. You're nice. I can trust you with my secret, right?
I won't tell anyone, Morgan. I promise.
Would you like to come over to my house? We can listen to music, play some games. I don't really have any friends. I think you and I could be really good friends. Don't you think?